Hi, and welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. Today we're going to be taking a look at the days function, which is another method for calculating the number of days between two dates. Now, we've done another video in the past where you can calculate this by using simple subtraction. So let's retouch that function or that process first. So in cell D2, if I enter equals and then select an ending date, which I have in C2, and I subtract the start date, I get 146, right? Very simple function, easy to do, basic math. But now we can use a function rather than using arithmetic, so either is suitable. We'll do equals days, open parenthesis. And again, one of the advantages of using a function is the fact that you get a prompt to help you with this function to create your formula. Whereas if I was just doing straight arithmetic, I'd have to kind of remember, okay, what the process is, what goes where with my math. And for someone who's maybe more of a beginner, that might be a little more challenging than just following the fill in the blank process with the function. So you see here I'm being prompted for an end date, which I have in cell C2, comma, the start date is in B2, and then like with all functions, I'm going to be putting a close parentheses, and I hit enter, and there's the 146, and then I'll just double click the fill handle to fill it down. That's it. That's the days function for determining how many days there are between two dates. I hope you find it useful. Please check in again soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.